In this video, we're going to talk about the scoped lifetime. In scoped lifetime, a single instance is created per scope. In ASP.NET Core, a scope maps to a single HTTP request, but we can also create a scope manually, as we'll see in the next section. Back to our program class, let's change the registration to use AddScoped. And if we run the application and navigate to /add-book, we see we get the same hash code in both the parent and child components. This means that the same instance of book service is being injected into the two book service properties. Now let's make a new request by copying the URL and opening a new tab and pasting the URL and hitting enter. This time we have a new hash code in both the parent and child components. This means that in our application, during the first HTTP request, a new instance of book service was created and reused for that request, and at the end of the first request, the instance was disposed. And during the second HTTP request, once again a new instance of book service was created and reused for that request, and then disposed of at the end of the request.